Hello, witches, warlocks, ghouls, and ghoulettes. Welcome to my castle and to my kitchen for my edition of Halloween snacks and treats, where my mission is to surprise your little ghosts and goblins when they come knocking at night. So don't forget to subscribe and tap that notification bell so that you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, for our next Halloween treat, we are going to be extracting eyeballs out of monsters. No, I'm gonna make creepy eyeballs. Okay? You'll need the, what do you call these things? Donut holes. Donut holes. And I got two kinds. I got the regular Krispy Kreme donut holes. And I got the blueberry powdered hole donut holes. And I got these from Walmart. So, I'm going to get these ready. And we're going to need green candy melts. Make sure you get it really good and soft and whipped up. And you will need red. So I didn't need but about 5 or 6 little red chips of candy melt. And I'm going to pour them into this little cup, into this plastic bag. And I got a little small Ziploc bag that I'm going to be using. And let me see, what else am I going to be using? Oh, the eyeballs, the gummy eyeballs. So, let me go away and come back and get everything ready, okay? Okay, to get the candy melt smooth, I put a little Vita Coco coconut oil, just about a half teaspoon in. I'm gonna mix it up real good, because I don't want these lumpy. I want them sort of smooth. And if they turn out lumpy, that's good. That's okay. Okay. After all, I am not perfect. Okay. I'm gonna do 2 or 3. Okay, I'm gonna get my little pitchfork here and stick it in the donut hole. And I'm gonna swirl it around. Then I'm gonna tap it off. There we go. Then I'm going to put them on this wax paper, parchment paper. Then I'm going to take the red and drizzle down and make the veins. Then I'm going to take an eyeball and plop it right on top. Okay. There are 2 eyeballs. I'm going to do 2 more. I'm going to get you in real close so you can see these eyeballs. Tap the candy melt. Monster's eyeballs. Let me do another one with another kind of eyeball. I'm going to do them with these kind of eyeballs. The clear white ones. Okay, let's put this eyeball on there. Now I'm going to go away and extract more eyeballs from out of this monster. Okay, guys. Here are my devilish, spooky, scary eyeballs. Hope y'all enjoyed. And we'll come back again. Subscribe, like, and comment to my spooky eyeballs. Be humble and stay blessed. And y'all have a good day. Bye for now.